Welcome to Homework Tutor. To start, choose how you want to enter your question. You can take a new photo, choose an image from your files, or chat with Professor Owl. In this example, we will pick a question from a saved homework file. Tap Choose Image to open the list of available homework images. Now select the image that contains the question you want to solve. The image opens inside the editor. Here you can adjust the question area before analyzing it. Crop the image so only the question is selected. This helps the app focus on the correct problem. When the question area is ready, tap Analyze. Homework Tutor now reads the question and creates a full step-by-step solution. The solution appears on the screen, starting with the question and then showing the working steps clearly. You can scroll up and down to review the full explanation. Here, notice the language buttons. When multilingual mode is enabled, the solution can be shown in more than one language. For example, you can switch between English and another available language using the language buttons. Now notice the speaker button. Tap the speaker button to hear the solution read out loud. If multilingual mode is enabled, the app can speak the solution in both languages. Continue scrolling to see each step of the answer, including the final result. At the bottom, you can also chat with Professor Owl if you need more help or want to ask a follow-up question. Homework Tutor makes it easy to pick a question from a file, analyze it, and understand the solution step by step.